In 2019, the Bluetooth speaker market is flooded with tons of options. But yet Sony is still trying to make a splash in the market with this extra bass speaker that we picked up from Walmart for the low cost of $22. Let's see if this speaker fits your needs. And by the way, if you want something a little cheaper, you can find it on Amazon for 18 bucks. Link in the description. Help your friends out. We're college students trying to make a living.
It's an affiliate link.
An affiliate link. Anyways, this packaging, while not a box, is so easy a caveman can do it. You just start right here at the top and work your way down. Now, I don't know about that sound, but for me, it's a heart pumper. You're gonna take this whole mumbo jumbo stuff out because it's just directions and a warranty, and in reality, it's just a Bluetooth speaker, so you really don't need it. But let's get to the good stuff, the stuff that's inside. You'll find a USB cable, we'll talk more about this later, and then a lanyard, because safety first, and most importantly, our little friend right here, the speaker itself. And if you want to learn more about that and see what it has to offer, you can check it out in our next video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. And since I know you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and help us out.
Hit that bell too.
The bell. Ding a ding ding.